Good morning, students. Unit 1 P&S Lecture 2 Calculation of Arithmetic Mean Discrete Series DISCRET Discrete Series. In these two methods are there: A. Direct method, B. Shortcut method. A. Direct method. In this method, we use the formula mean is equal to capital X is equal to sigma f into x by n, capital N, where f is equal to frequency, n total frequency, sigma f. Of course, write this formula like this also: sigma f into x, sigma f into x by sigma f. Another way, small x is equal to item or variable or observation. Problem 4. From the following data of the marks obtained by 60 students. మీ సెక్షన్లో కూడా అంతమంది ఉంటారుగా. ఆఫ్ ఏ క్లాస్, CSSE class. Calculate the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean marks, number of students. marks. Getting 20 marks out of 60 students. There are 8 members are there. 8 students are there getting 20 marks. 30 marks out of 100. 12 students. 40 marks. 20 students are there. 50 marks. 10 students are there. First class marks, 6 students are there. 70 marks, 4 students are there. This is not your section. This is another section. Dull section marks, not your section. Your class means not your class, another class. Solution. Given capital N is equal to sigma f, sum of frequency, that nothing but 60. Table. Construct the table as follows. So marks x, number of students f into x. Marks 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Frequency 8, 12, 20, 10, 6, 4. So f into x 160, 360, 800, 500, 50 into 10, 360, 280. capital N is equal to sigma f is equal to 60 sigma f into x, sigma f into x is equal to 2460. Adding these, mean capital X is equal to formula sigma f into x, sigma f into a, sigma f x by n, 2460 by 60, nothing but 41. Note down. B, shortcut method. In this method, use the formula mean is equal to x is equal to a plus sigma fd by n, where a is equal to assumed mean, f is equal to frequency, capital N is equal to total frequency sigma f, d is equal to deviation x minus a. We have to take the same problem, observing the answer. అంటే ఇక్కడ డేటా వేరేగా తీసుకుని చేసుకోవచ్చు, కాకపోతే సేమ్ ప్రాబ్లం తీసుకుంటే ఆ 41 వస్తుందా లేదో చెక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, అందుకోసం తీసుకున్నాను. ఇవన్నీ చేంజ్ చేసి మీకు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇస్తాం, మీరు హోంవర్క్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ట్యూటోరియల్ వర్క్ ఇవన్నీ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ప్రాబ్లం జస్ట్ ఈ నంబర్ మారిస్తే చాలు, మీకు వేరే ప్రాబ్లం చేసిన ఫీలింగ్ ఉంటుంది. కాకపోతే ఇదే మెథడ్ సేమ్ ప్రాబ్లం చేస్తే సేమ్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది లేదా అని చెకింగ్. So table form marks x, number of students f, deviation d is equal to x minus a fd. So marks, he assumed mean, you take generally we prefer middle value, any one of the middle values. So consider your a is equal to assumed mean a is equal to 40. Now deviation x minus a, x means 20, 20 minus a means 40, x minus 40. So 20 minus 40 minus 20, 30 minus 40 minus 10, 40 minus 40 0, 50 minus 40 10, 60 minus 40 20, 70 minus 40 30. So f into d, 8 into minus 20 minus 160 minus 120 0, 100 120 120, and sigma f is equal to 60, sum of these values, sigma f d sum of these values, this is also 60. Mean x is equal to a plus sigma f d by n, formula 40 plus 60 by 60, 40 plus 1 41, we get same answer. Now calculation of arithmetic mean, continuous series. In this case also two methods are there, direct method, shortcut method. A, direct method. In this method we use the formula, mean means arithmetic mean, capital X is equal to sigma f into m by n, where f is equal to same frequency, capital N is equal to total frequency sigma f, m is equal to midpoint of various classes. మీకు డిస్క్రిట్ అనుకోండి, డైరెక్ట్గా ఎక్స్ వాల్యూస్ డైరెక్ట్గా ఇచ్చేస్తాడు. అదే కంటిన్యూస్ సిరీస్ అనుకోండి, ఇంటర్వల్ టైప్లో ఉంటుంది. ఈ డిస్క్రిట్ చూడండి 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 అలా ఉంటుంది. కంటిన్యూస్ వచ్చే ఇంటర్వల్ టైప్ 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 అలా ఇంటర్వల్ టైప్లో ఉంటుందండి. అప్పుడు వాటి మిడ్ వాల్యూస్ తీసుకోవాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఆ మిడ్ వాల్యూని ఎమ్ అంటాడు. ఆ మిడ్ వాల్యూనే ఎమ్. సో ప్రాబ్లమ్ 6. From the following data, compute arithmetic mean by direct method. Here, interval type of marks given 0 to 10, the interval 0 to 10, 5 students are there, 10 to 20, 10 students, like that. So, solution marks mid value 0, 10, mid value 5. 10, 20, mid value 10 plus 20 by 2, 15, 20, 30, mid value 25, 35, 45, 55. There are number of students. So FM 25, 150, 625, 35 into 30, 10, 50, use calculator, 20 into 45, 900, 550. Now your n is equal to sigma f 5 plus 10 plus 25 plus 30 plus 20 plus 10, 15, 40, 70 is equal to 100. F into m, sigma f into m, 25 plus 150 plus, sigma means addition, adding these values, 625 plus 1050 plus 900 plus 550 is nothing but 3300. Mean capital X is equal to sigma fm by n, 3300 by 100, that is 33. Now B, shortcut method. In this method we use the formula mean is equal to x is equal to a plus sigma fd by n, where a is equal to assumed mean, f is equal to frequency, capital N is equal to total frequency, sigma f. D is equal to m minus a. M is equal to mid value, midpoint of various, mid value, simply write mid value. Note down.